Hey guys, this is Ryan with Drive Shafts Incorporated in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and you can also reach us online at driveshaftsOfTulsa.com. I was just going to make a quick video here to show you kind of what we've been running into. This is a 2008 Sport Trac, Explorer Sport Trac. It's a two-piece. You can see the old one. It has non-replaceable U-joints right here, and then it's got a CV right here, and then another CV right here, and then of course a carrier bearing in the middle. And how we've been fixing these things is we stay with the CV at the front where it bolts to your transfer case. We do a replaceable U-joint in the middle, and then a carrier bearing just like the old one, but it is replaceable now because it's got an end yoke. So if it ever did go bad again, you could, take the end yoke off, replace the carrier bearing. And then of course we have a replaceable U-joint down here. So that's a way that we've kind of found to fix the problem, and it's been working great for us. Brand new shaft like this one, you unbolt the old one, you put the new one on. So it's, you just install it like it is. Price on that is $575 and then free shipping. So $575 and free shipping. So once again, we're Drive Shafts Incorporated in Tulsa, Oklahoma. You can reach us toll free at 1-800-344-5141.